guys!
Our last
This is my
question.
baby.
Is it beneficial to join LinkedIn Premium as a student?
Meet.
Okay, so
It's
for
must
LinkedIn
be
Premium,
Hello.
I'm not sure about
No.
in the past before I joined LinkedIn. So I mean, just a fun fact, all LinkedIn employees actually have LinkedIn Premium. Before I joined LinkedIn, I do know that there's only one shop people could get LinkedIn Premium for.
Ano,
And
Dede?
what LinkedIn Premium actually help you do is to gain access to a couple of messages, credits that you can send to potential employers or people who want to connect with.
Sure tayo.
And you can actually see more insights when it comes to applying for jobs. So I do see the benefits of it. You know, it can actually help you to accelerate your job search. But at the same time, I have many friends who are not on LinkedIn Premium and they could still find jobs. So I would say if you feel like it's something you really
Di pa tapos.
job faster, yeah, feel free to get it. But I don't think it's necessary.
Sinasabi ko yung babay,
Because there
sinasagot
isn't like a proven statistic that says that LinkedIn Premium helps you to find job faster, 5 times faster or something like that, right? It just gives you more
You're
insights
so cute.
into applying for a job.
I'm working
Yeah,
late.
so that's my opinion on that. Thank you very much for those questions and answers, and that wraps up our question and answer portion. Once again, thank you, Mr. Wu. And as a token of appreciation, may we please have CFA Society Philippines President and Chairman, Mr. John Banses, CFA, to present to you the e-certificate.
Thank you so
much, Jordan. Alright, so CFA Society Philippines presents the certificate of recognition to Mr. Jordan for his valuable contribution as a speaker
Ano ba nakakalito ko?
in
Akin na dito.
the Philippine Junior Finance and Investment Summit 2024. Chart the future.
Wow!
Can you close the door?
Wag nga daw, binuksan nga niya eh.
Day of September
Okay.
2024.
Okay.
Guys, meron siya magsalita ng okay. Sabihin mo okay.
Please smile for you.
Diba?
Wow.
Wala. Ano yun?
Again, our sincerest appreciation for your time and effort for being here today. Wow,
Hindi.
what an incredible day we've had. From learning how to avoid career pitfalls to mastering LinkedIn. You're now equipped with some serious tools to chart your future. But guess what? It's not over yet.
Uy!
That's right.
That's
Tomorrow,
bad.
we have even more amazing sessions lined up. And
I
we'll be
know
hosting something extra
everything.
special. The biggest delegation award and other exciting awards. You don't want to miss it. So be sure to join us for Day 2 of PJFIS 2024. As we wrap up Day 1 of our event, I'd like to remind everyone to please take a moment to complete the survey available here in the Zoom
Okay.
webinar. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to
Very
us,
good.
and completing this survey is a requirement to
Guys, may
receive your
video tayo.
certificate.
Easy.
Again,
Wala natin
we would like
magsalita.
to take this
Sabihin mo na
opportunity to
una.
thank
Okay.
our event sponsors and partners. Our platinum sponsor,
Maganda.
Security Bank Corporation. Our silver
Hey,
sponsor,
Urban.
FDI Consulting Philippines
Maganda.
Incorporated. Our bronze sponsors, BDO Capital, Fund Managers Association of the
So, okay
Philippines
lang yung
Incorporated,
sasalita
and
ni
Shakey's.
Urban.
And
Kaya ni...
our organization partners,
Bakit
Bureau
ba
of the
iso-
Treasury,
Oh!
Financial Executives Institute of the Philippines, and Trust Officers Association of the
Ano yun?
Wala
Philippines.
ko.
Once again,
Hindi
thank you
pwede.
all for joining today, and we can't
Hindi
wait to see you
pwede.
tomorrow for even more insights,
Baka
awards, and
Hindi
opportunities.
pwede.
The future is yours.
Baka
Let's
mauntog,
unlock it
mauntog.
together.
Untog ka.
See you tomorrow for the Day 2 of PJFIS 2024. Chart the future, unlocking opportunities for tomorrow.
Okay na ba? Pwede na mag-leave?
lang, baka naglilikot siya sa sopa.
Uy, nasaan? Tingnan eh.
Wait lang. Urban. Kala ko pumunta ka doon.
Ano?
Gan...
Ano yun?
Ay,
Oops.
nakakainis.
Oops.
Ito na nga lang. Camarines World. Ay, nalilito ako tamo. Ba't ba tumba yung phone? Hinihigil ako. Siguro ba nasaan? Tsaka lang guys, baka pumasok sa kwarto. Guys, okay na. Ay, dito ka pala. Di yan baril. Gawang baril yan.
Nits! Nits! Nits!
Nits! Yung cute!
Uy!
Wait lang guys. Guys, may
Guys,
kukwento ko sa inyo. Si
Dahan-dahan
Urban
kasi.
nauntog sa pader, tapos pinagkikis niya.
Dinig ka sa hangin. Ano?
Kanina hinahampas niya yung pader. Yun lang yung kwento kang ikli. Tana, kailan ka nakanood ng ang leon at ang daga?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Tanda ko nung ako, grade 1.
Si Nits, tingnan dyan.
Wait lang guys. Lagi nang mapastop. Sorry guys, medyo may pastop-stop. Sabi mo, alam mo gatahan na sa amin, nag-iibang bansa na ayoy ya! Ganon. Lalaglag.
Nasaan?
Chiyo, chiya.
Are, are, are! Nits! Oh!
Nalala po to.
Tanan, tanan. Awan. Ako lang dapat.
Okay. Mag-imot lang ako dito. Imot lang ako dito. Okay guys, ka-quiet lang ako. Wait lang.